Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Mark. I'm a Canadian aviation YouTube content creator as well as a plane spotter and photographer. And welcome back to another video everyone. I really hope that you're all doing well and okay, you're staying safe. And today guys, we're actually going to be doing a new unboxing over here. And this is what I will be unboxing this afternoon. I will be explaining what I'll be unboxing, showing the details of the model and the brand, as well as looking into further detail, as well as a few announcements at the end of the video. There is a little thing I need to explain after I record this clip. But yes guys, I really hope that you're gonna enjoy today's video. So stick around. Getting on to the unboxing over here, this is the box of what I have got over here. So this is the model that I have received on Wednesday night. Now, here is the thing. I ordered this aircraft on Tuesday night, and I'm recording this video on Friday, April the 16th. So what has happened is that this aircraft has not came into my house until the following night. So like 24 hours since I have ordered and paid for this aircraft. This aircraft soon came to my house like the next night. So nearly 24 hours since I have ordered it. So yeah, I did not actually unbox the plane as soon as I received it. Now, the thing is that you're supposed to be seeing the plane in here because it's a Darren brand, which I'll be talking more into later. But anyways, this is the box that I got. And then I actually unboxed the plane without making a video on it. So that's why you don't see the aircraft in here. I only unboxed the aircraft yesterday. And the reason why is that I did not have time to make a video. My best friend called me and then we did some stuff together. Yeah, I got some calls from my friends and then we just chatted and played games. So with activities with just family and friends, guys, they're just like the main reason why I could not actually do an unboxing video with surprising you while I would get my scissors and then I take the plane out of the box like this. This is what you'd normally be seeing right now. But anyways, yeah, I could not do that, so I just did it without making a video. But getting onto the model, guys, let's take a look at the box first of all. So here's the airline that I ordered. The airline brand that I have ordered is Copa Airlines, and then the model brand that I have over here, it's Darren. And as you can see, guys, this is what the back looks like. One thing I do like about the back, guys, is that first of all, looking into my first impressions, I really love the fact that they actually showed a real-life Copa Airlines aircraft. In this case, this is a 737-800, and then here's the information about the brand, the trademarks, and the warnings. Typically what you'd be seeing in the model right now, so I guess the box is pretty special. But what's also special, guys, is that I don't really see this in other aircraft models. Also, I apologize for the box, but I don't care. But that's not really important right now. This is what I'm going to be showing you in this clip right now. So the aircraft actually came in like this. However, the thing is that what really made me surprised is that it's actually like an airport apron. Like this is where the planes actually park, and this is actually one unique thing I got about this model. So this is actually really a surprise. Like other Darren models actually don't do this, and you can actually put your own model aircraft over here. It doesn't really matter what scale it is. Well, as you can see, I think this is best for a 1-400 model, but you can actually literally put like a 1-400 model aircraft of any brand. You can do Darren, Gemini Jets, NG Models, JC Wings, whatever 1-400 aircraft brand you want. And then you can just put the plane over here and pretend it's like parked. Like you can use this as a decoration, or even like your model airport. So this is one of the most coolest things I got actually from this box. So this was supposed to be in the box with the plane inside, but then when I removed the plane, I removed like the straps. And then yes, I actually get to keep this really nice unique background. Usually other backgrounds would either be the sky or something themed with the airline's logo. I remember the last unboxing I did was like back on January when I unboxed 2 aircraft. But yes, this model is pretty exciting. And speaking of the model, guys, we are actually going to bring the aircraft itself right now. Okay guys, this is the aircraft that I'm going to be bringing up. It's right over here. And yes, like I said, normally I'd be getting the scissors and taking this aircraft out of the straps. And then I'll just put it like this, and then I have to throw out the straps. But like I said, I already unboxed this aircraft just because I was super excited and I did not get time to make this video. But yes, here's the aircraft. We have a Copa Airlines Boeing 737-700. I did not really want the 700. Like, I was actually expecting to get the 800 variant, since Darren is usually into mostly making the 737-800s. But yes, this is actually a 737-700 because the number of windows on this aircraft is that it's has less windows than the more popular 737-800. Also has 1 overwing exit, and in contrast, the 737-800 would have 2 overwing exits on each side. So here's my aircraft model right now. It's a 1/400 scale. However, if I put this next to a 777-200ER, the thing is that they won't really be like the accurate scale. This will be a topic for another video because very soon I will be making an airport showcase with this aircraft going to be featured in it for the first time. But yes, let's go into details of this new aircraft right now. Okay guys, I'm gonna get into detail, and then I got my pen over here, if you guys can see it. Hold on. Okay, here's my pen, and then we're gonna get into some details. So first of all, over here we got the 737's cool cockpit windows. And then over here, guys, one thing that's actually missing from here, this actually is corrected on other Darren aircraft, but normally the Airlines Alliance logo would be featured here. I don't know if Copa Airlines aircraft actually have it featured here or featured somewhere else, but normally, since Copa Airlines is actually a Star Alliance member, the Star Alliance logo should go here. I think this aircraft was produced by Darren just before the other aircraft come out, and my assumption is that this aircraft did not have the Star Alliance logo, but then other Star Alliance airlines, as well as other airlines affiliated with Alliance members, let's just say Turkish Airlines for example, they have corrected, or just rather added or suggested, whatever, the Airlines Alliance. But getting back into the point, guys, let's start going into further detail. So here we have the typical Copa Airlines titles, and then we got this typical 737 NG's CFM 56 turbo engines. And then over here we got the 737's winglets over here. Now, there's actually a little mistake that I'd like to mention over here as I'm going to be turning the plane around. If you see in the interior of the wing, like this side of the wing is painted blue, like what Copa Airlines aircraft should have. However, over here, guys, as you can see, it's not blue over here. I don't know if Darren made that mistake, or they did this on purpose for some reason, maybe to lower the cost of producing this aircraft, but I don't know what has happened, so I don't know the reason why Darren painted the wings blue, which is a good detail, but they actually did not paint it blue on the other side. They did it on the outer side, but not the inner side, so I don't know why this has happened. But yes, I don't know, like guys, usually when I buy Darren aircraft, I don't think any of them would have like colored winglets like what this aircraft would have. So I wouldn't know if other Darren aircraft actually do the same habits by not coloring in the inner wings, but rather the outer winglets over here. But yes, so continuing on into further detail. Here we got the aircraft's registration. I hope that you can see it. If not, I'll just read it out loud to you. Regardless if you can see it or not, I will still read it out loud. So here we go. The aircraft's registration right now is Hotel Papa Sen 37-1 Charlie Mike Papa. And continuing on to details, here we have the rear exit of the aircraft, as well as a little title of Panama's flag, because Copa Airlines is the official flag carrier of Panama. And then last of all, guys, here we have the Copa Airlines tail. Now, one thing about Copa Airlines that can confuse people, especially myself when you first get to know it, is that sometimes the way that they make their logo, as you can see, their paint job, the white fuselage, the golden lines between the white fuselage, as well as the gray belly of the aircraft, as well as the blue tail, and you can see the white lines that actually shape it like a globe. This actually does make the Copa Airlines aircraft actually have similar titles to United Airlines. So that's one surprising thing about it. But last things about this model, guys, before we end this video soon, I just want to point out some of my first impressions of this aircraft, and as well as errors that I'm not really happy with. Now, like I said earlier in this video, guys, I don't really know why Darren did not actually paint the inside winglets of this aircraft. They did a good job painting the outside, it looks fine, but the inside, not so much. It does kind of make the model look more awkward, especially if you look at it more in person. But yes, this is actually just a little minor mistake that Darren made with this aircraft. I don't see any other mistakes. Like, they did get this aircraft right. But the Star Alliance, I think putting Star Alliance logo over here, I think that's a more minor mistake, and it does not really have to be mentioned as much as the winglets issue. But yes, no mistakes on this aircraft, and like I said, I really like the way that Darren boxed the aircraft. I'm going to show you. The aircraft came in the box like this. And then Darren actually made it look like that the aircraft was actually parked in an aerial view in the apron. And it just parked in an airport terminal. So that's really, really exciting. And like I said, guys, you can put your aircraft in there. So if you ever actually order this aircraft or any other aircraft that Darren that you may receive this, please take advantage of it. Don't throw it away, because that's going to be a total waste. Just use this like that as a decoration. I highly suggest that. Like, I know Darren isn't really as a high reputation as Gemini Jet's NG models, but you're going to get the point soon, guys. So at least in this video, there are going to be some positive things about Darren that are going to be shown over here. And as well as I also like the box over here. It looks really, really nice, as well as the aircraft itself. So when I unbox this video, this is a really exciting aircraft I have unboxed. I cannot wait to use this aircraft in more of my airport showcases, which hopefully will be coming out later this month. But yes, guys, this does conclude today's video. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, there's a lot of impressions, I would say first impressions when this aircraft was unboxed. It was really, really exciting. And I cannot wait to use this aircraft in more of my airport showcases. And speaking of airport showcases, guys, I'm actually in the progress of building a new model airport downstairs while recording this video. So when I am done and posting this video on YouTube, I will continue on to this airport. I have to make the finishing touches, including the terminal, the gates, as well as where the aircrafts will go. But yes, this is actually going to be a new fictional airport that I have made. If you have not seen my last fictional airport update, that was actually in South Africa, but now I have moved it to Brazil. It's a fictional airport in Brazil, kind of like based on Sao Paulo's airports. But yes, I cannot really wait to do all of those. I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm really glad that you're coming along with me. Don't forget, guys, if you like this video, give me that huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.